Hello all, welcome back to our channel. It's me Anu. So today we are going to see the different parts of a circle. Okay, so the topic name is Introduction to Circle. Before starting our video, if you are watching this channel first time, please subscribe our channel. So let's get to the video. I'm going to explain each parts. Okay, so the first part is circumference. So what is circumference? Circumference means the total length of this curved surface of a circle is known as circumference. Got it? This total length of this curved surface, okay, that is known as the circumference. Curved surface means this boundary, right? So the total length of this boundary is known as the circumference. Got it? So next one is center. Center is a point, okay? So this is center. Actually, this point is known as the center, right? Okay, I will mark. So this point is actually center, okay? So center is a point that is present at the middle of the circle, okay? So actually this point, this center, or we can call it as point O, okay? So here point O is the center and it is present at the middle of the circle. So what is center? Center is a point that is present at the middle of the circle. Okay, and one more thing, if we draw a line from center to the boundary of a circle, then at any direction, we can draw it any direction, then the distance will be same, okay? So the next one is radius. So radius is, the line that we draw from the center of a circle to the boundary. So that is known as the radius, okay? And we can, here I marked this is radius, okay? So, and we can draw it in any direction, right? So that distance should be same. So what is radius? Radius means the line that we drawn from the center of a circle to the boundary of the circle. Okay, that is radius. Next, diameter. Okay, so what is diameter? So this is this dotted line represents the diameter, right? So we can see diameter is drawn from one point to the other point, means one point on the boundary of the circle to the other point. And one important point is this passes through the center, right? So what is diameter? Diameter is the distance between two points present on the boundary of the circle, but it passes through the center, okay? So that is diameter. So we can say diameter will be double of the radius, okay? So the next one is chord. Chord is same like diameter, but it may or may not passes through the center. So chord means it also the distance or the straight line that we drawn from one point to the other point, okay? One point to the other point, both the points are in the boundary, right? It may or may not passes through the center, okay? So we can say the largest chord is diameter, okay? So chord means chord also a diameter. A diameter is a chord, okay? Diameter is a chord, but all chords are not diameter. Got it? Why? Because chord may or may not passes through the center, right? If the chord passes through the center, we can call it as diameter, right? So what is chord? It is the straight line that drawn from one point to other point. Both the points are in the boundary, okay? So the last one is arc, okay? So here this darkest portion indicate the arc, okay? Arc means, a part of the circumference of a circle is known as the arc, okay? So circumference means, this boundary, right? This boundary of the circle and the total length of that boundary is known as the circumference, right? So a part of this boundary is known as the arc, okay? Got it? So very easy topic, okay? So I will explain again what is circumference. Circumference means, the length of this curved surface of a circle is known as the circumference. And what is center? Center is a point that is present at the middle of the circle, okay? And what is radius? Radius is the, distance from the center to the boundary of the circle, okay? And what is diameter? Diameter is the distance from one point to the other point on the boundary of the circle and it passes through the center, okay? Or we can say diameter is a straight line that we drawn from one point to the other point of the circle and it passes through the center. Okay. And next one, and also one more thing, the diameter will be the double of the radius. Okay. And next one is chord. Chord also the straight line that we drawn from one point to the other point. Okay. That 2 points are in the boundary, right? And it may or may not passes through the center. If it passes through the center, we can call it as diameter, right? So all chords are not a diameter, but diameter is a chord. Okay, got it? Next one is arc. Arc is nothing, just a part of that curved surface is known as the arc. Okay, so these are the very important parts of a circle. So please revise this video and please draw a circle and try to mark all the parts. Okay, then you can learn it. Okay, so thank you so much, and please support my channel and please subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's see you on next video. Bye bye. Thank you so much.